Okay. So today we will go to Radha Damodar temple. So are you ready? Hari bol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Shri Shri Vrindavan Dham ki.
Yeah.
Okay. So hope you can see the screen. Okay. So we there's a little screen on Sanatan Goswami here. Okay, so Sanatan Goswami we covered actually last yesterday. So we'll see the Radha Damodar deities and then we'll come back to Sanatan Goswami because there are various places in Sanatan Goswami, this in Radha Damodar temple. So hope you can all see the deities there of Radha Damodar. So ये जो विग्रह हैं, these are all Radha Damodar deities. So Damodar means what? Dam मतलब रस्सी और उदर मतलब पेट, right? The Lord which is bound by the rope with along with his belly by Mother Yashoda is called Damodar. जो भगवान ऐसे जो हैं जो you know पेट से जो बेली से बांधे गए हैं थ्रू रोप इज कॉल्ड दामोदर. उनका नाम दामोदर है. उन्हीं के ये विग्रह हैं, बट ये बाल स्वरूप में नहीं है, विग्रह बड़े फॉर्म में है. सो अगर आप देख सकते हैं टुवर्ड्स योर राइट साइड जहाँ पे 4 फोटो आपको दिख रही है, सो टुवर्ड्स योर राइट साइड इज द राधा दामोदर डीटीज, राइट. सो देयर आर उसमें ये मंदिर में बहुत सारे विग्रह हैं. मैं एक एक करके आपको बताता हूँ कि कौन से विग्रह हैं. या सो ये आपको विग्रह दिख रहे हैं राधा दामोदर के. टुवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट साइड यू आर सीइंग मेनी विग्रहs, राइट? Are you able to see?
Yes, Prabhu ji.
तो ये जो सेंटर में है, this is राधा दामोदर विग्रह, and there is a Lalita Sakhi also here, and along with Lalita Sakhi there are another two Gaudiya Vaishnava Gaudiya Goswami's deities which are called as Radha Vrindavan Chandra and Radha Madhava. तो राधा माधव के भी विग्रह हैं, राधा वृंदावन चंद्र भी है और राधा दामोदर भी है. और जब हम अलग अलग नाम से भगवान को पुकारते हैं, जैसे राधा दामोदर है, राधा वृंदावन चंद्र है एंड राधा माधव है, तो ये अलग अलग कैसे होता है? बिकॉज उनका अगर आप ये देखेंगे, उनका भाव देखेंगे, जो विग्रह का भाव है. कई बार हमारा भाव कैसे होता है? हमारा भाव, हम एक मूड में होते हैं तो हमारा भाव अलग होता है, अगर हम दूसरे मूड में तो हमारा भाव अलग होता है. तो हमारे जो शक्ल है वो चेंज हो जाती है, हमारा जो फेस है दैट चेंजेस विद आवर मूड, राइट? So same is with the Lord also. So when you see Radha Kunja Bihari, the bhava is different, so the deities will look differently, right? So there are separate deities based on their bhava. So in this temple you have Radha Madhav also, you have Radha Damodar also, and you have Radha Vrindavan Chandra also, right? And along with Lalita Sakhi. So Lalita Sakhi is a very dear Sakhi of Radharani, and it's a very dear Gopi. जैसे Radha Rani है, so this is the name of other Gopi who is Lalita. So that is also there in this particular temple. So ये जो temple आप जाते हो परिक्रमा में, it comes in the area of Seva Kunj, right? So this is a very beautiful temple and it happens, a very nice aarti happens there every night. Damodar Ashtakam happens in this Radha Damodar temple. But एक बात खास है इस temple में, it is also having the Govardhan Shila. You will see the darshan. Hope you have taken the darshan of this Radha Damodar deities towards your right. So she is Radharani and he is Lord Damodar, and left side is Lalita Sakhi, right? So you can offer your pranams to these deities so that we can go next. Okay. Shri Radha Damodar Bhagwan ki jai.
Jai.
I think we have the Shaligram Sila. I'll show you. Yeah. So you will see this. Can you see this slide? I'll make it zoom a little bit. आपको ये slide दिख रहा है? So this is Govardhan Shila. So those who have not gone to Vrindavan, I'll tell you that Govardhan जब हम परिक्रमा करते हैं, Govardhan is a hill, right? Govardhan. Govardhan, the name Govardhan comes from Go मतलब cows और Vardhan मतलब nourishment. The mountain hill which is used for nourishment of the cows is called Govardhan. जो पर्वत जो गौएं हैं भगवान को बहुत प्रिय हैं, उनके जो नरिशमेंट के लिए, उनको ग्रेजिंग के लिए यूज किया जाता था, उसे गोवर्धन कहते हैं. So we know that Lord has lifted Govardhan on the left hand, right? On the left hand. So this is Govardhan Shila, and this Govardhan is spreaded across. उनकी जो परिक्रमा है, जब पैदल परिक्रमा करते हैं, तो it is almost like 24 kilometers. 24 kilometers की उनकी परिक्रमा होती है, पैदल हम चलते हैं तो. So Sanatan Goswami was doing Govardhan परिक्रमा every day. So अगर हम normally परिक्रमा करते हैं, तो how much time it takes? It takes around 8 to 10 hours, depending on your speed of walking. So morning you start at 4 o'clock and you finish parikrama at around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, depending on your speed. क्योंकि you have rest some place, कहीं पे आप बैठ जाते हो, कहीं पे चलने लगते हो, कहीं fast चलते हो, कहीं slow चलते हो. So depending on your speed, it takes around 10 to 12 hours for doing one parikrama. So this Sanatan Goswami, he was doing Govardhan Parikrama every day, right? He was chanting during the Parikrama and हर रोज वो परिक्रमा करते थे. हम लोग गोवर्धन परिक्रमा केवल एक बार करते हैं तो इतना थक जाते हैं that next day हमको आराम लगता है, कि उस दिन भी आराम लगता है और अगले दिन भी आराम लगता है कि we are resting after doing the Govardhan Parikrama by walking. But Sanatan Goswami at the later years of his age also, he was doing everyday parikrama of Govardhan, right? And वो everyday वहां से चलते थे, वृंदावन जाते थे, and then he used to do the parikrama, right? So one day it happened, because of his old age, he was not able to do parikrama. वो बहुत ही बूढ़े हो चले थे, तो उनकी परिक्रमा करना में बहुत मुश्किल हो रही थी. So one day one coward boy came and he gave one Govardhan Shila to Sanatan Goswami, right? He gave this this Govardhan Shila, छोटे फॉर्म में Govardhan Shila Sanatan Goswami को दिया और उनको कहा कि आप इस शिला के ही परिक्रमा करो. It is as good as doing the parikrama of Govardhan, right? So you are very old, you are not supposed to walk the full 24 kilometers every day. आप ये छोटा शिला लेके जाओ, इसी का परिक्रमा करो, and then that will give you the benefit of doing Govardhan Parikrama. So that same Govardhan Shila is this one, which Sanatan Goswami used to worship, and he used to do parikrama. So आप देख रहे हैं आपके screen पर, it is having the footprints of Krishna also. From here you cannot see the footprints. और ये जो Govardhan Shila normally ढकी रहती है, but then when you go and when you request on some particular day, they show you this Govardhan Shila. So we are very fortunate, we can see on the screen now. Are you able to see the Shila? Right, it's a Govardhan Shila. It is having a mark of Krishna's footprints also, and this is the Shila, same Shila जो Sanatan Goswami परिक्रमा करके Govardhan परिक्रमा का फल लेते थे, right? And when we go to this temple, ये temple shrine में पड़ी होती है, in the sanctum sanctorium, the main जो गर्भ है, गर्भस्थान है temple का, वहाँ पे ये शिला होती है, and we do परिक्रमा of this temple 4 times. When we go to this temple, we do parikrama 4 times, so that by doing 4 times parikrama of this Shila, we get the full benefit of doing the Govardhan parikrama, which is 24 kilometers, right? So easy benefit, because it was worshipped by Sanatan Goswami, right? So you can all take the darshan of this Shila, and mentally you can do the parikrama and offer your pranams, so that we get the benefit of doing Govardhan parikrama right sitting from our homes. ऐसा कहते हैं Govardhan Parikrama, you must have seen, right? Many people are doing परिक्रमा by putting दंडवत प्रणाम, और कोई मतलब चल के करते हैं और कोई दंडवत प्रणाम करके करते हैं. Like you do दंडवत प्रणाम at one place, and जहाँ पे आपने छोड़ा वहां से you do दंडवत प्रणाम again. So every time प्रणाम करते करते पूरा Govardhan परिक्रमा करते हैं. So it takes many years. Some people take multiple number of years to perform this Govardhan परिक्रमा. So अगर हम mentally भी इस Govardhan परिक्रमा का परिक्रमा करते हैं इस शिला का, then we get the same benefit of doing the Govardhan Parikrama, right? Hope you are all seeing this. Okay, so we'll start another. So this is the internal part of the temple. As you see on the left 4 square, right? This is the internal part of the temple. This is how the temple looks like, and these are the temple deities. Okay, so now I didn't put one picture in the temple. So what I will say, I'll just show you this. Okay, let me describe you so that you'll understand. So जैसे हमने राधा मदन मोहन का temple देखा, in this Radha Damodar temple also, there are surroundings, there are various samadhis, right? So there are various acharyas जिनकी बहुत सारी समाधि है इसके इर्द गिर्द में, टेम्पल के आसपास में बहुत सारी समाधियां हैं. And this particular temple, when there was a rule of Akbar, right? Everybody knows, right? 500 साल पहले हमारे कंट्री में मुगलों का राज था. There was a Mughal rulers. So before Aurangzeb, there was Akbar. So Akbar was very pious king. वो बहुत ही pious को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? बहुत ही पवित्र राजा था, right? So he was allowing too many temples to be built. So he was even giving money for building temples, and he was giving even the red stone, जो कि किला वगैरह बनाने के लिए लगता है ना फोर्ट में, जो लाल पत्थर होता है. So that also he used to donate to prepare the temple. So उसने राधा दामोदर टेम्पल बनाने के लिए भी बहुत सारा फंड दिया था, because he was a very pious person. So he met he met Jeev Goswami, who is the who was worshipping this Radha Damodar deities, and he met the Jeev Goswami, and with that help of Akbar, this temple was also prepared, and he helped in developing other temples also, which later Aurangzeb came and he destroyed the temples. तो अकबर ने हेल्प किया था and औरंगजेब ने डिस्ट्रॉय किया था सारे टेम्पल्स. तो वृंदावन में बहुत सारे टेम्पल्स का खंडन भी औरंगजेब के द्वारा हुआ है, लेकिन बनाने में हेल्प भी अकबर ने किया था बहुत जगह पे. ही फंडेड एंड ही डोनेटेड द स्टोन एंड ऑल्सो, राइट? So in this Radha Damodar temple, there is very special. This temple is very special for us also, because Srila Prabhupada used to stay in this temple before he took the flight to America. 6 साल वो यहाँ राधा दामोदर टेम्पल में रहे थे, right? And I could not show you the photograph of the room because I have not shown there on the presentation, but I'll show you tomorrow. So राधा दामोदर टेम्पल में प्रभुपाद का एक कुटीर है, where Prabhupada used to stay. एक छोटा सा रूम है, बिल्कुल जैसा हमारा in Abu Dhabi, if you are staying, there is a maid room, right? There is a small maid room in some homes. So उतना ही maid room जितना, एक store room जितना, एक उनका जगह है जहाँ where Prabhupada used to stay in Radha Damodar temple, and he stayed for 6 years there. And उतना ही उनका kitchen है. तो बहुत ही beautiful सुंदर photo है. That also, when we visit this Radha Damodar temple physically, you can see that where Prabhupada used to stay and वो कहाँ खाना बनाते थे. So प्रभुपाद का ऐसा था कि एक ही चूल्हा था and उनके पास 3 डेकर का ये था, टिफिन था. So in 3 डेकर he was preparing दाल, rice और सब्जी at the same time. मतलब आधे घंटे में, I think in 30 to 45 minutes he used to prepare 3 items. एक में दाल, एक में सब्जी, एक में राइस, तीनों साथ में बन जाता था एक ही डब्बे में. So that was Prabhupada, he was cooking. तो उनके utensils भी वहाँ पड़े हैं, and then he used to say, and major काम वहाँ पे क्या किया उन्होंने? He wrote first 3 volumes of Srimad Bhagavatam there. So Radha Damodar जो temple है, Jeev Goswami and other Sanatan Goswami and Rupa Goswami used to meet there and discuss and plan their Krishna consciousness activities. ये temple में सब लोग मिलते थे, and then they used to plan that how we can spread Krishna consciousness activities, right? And later Srila Prabhupada also stayed in this temple for 6 years, and he wrote Srimad Bhagavatam there. जो हम लोग अभी भागवतम पढ़ते हैं, हमारे पास जो easily available है, right? You go on Google and you go to vedabase.com and you find out Srimad Bhagavatam, right? You sing shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam. वो इतना easily available क्यों है? क्योंकि प्रभुपाद ने हमको दिया है. वो प्रभुपाद ने रात भर जाग कर यहाँ पे, he was just sleeping 3 hours in this Radha Damodar temple, and midnight उठ के he was writing books, right? So we should be very grateful कि हमको वो सारे books easily at the just our click of the button is available, right? But पहले इतना आसान नहीं था. During Prabhupada time, it was not very easy that you search for Bhagavatam and you will get in vedabase.com. It was not like that. And he used to write Srimad Bhagavatam. वो लिखना पड़ता था उनको, रात भर जाके वो लिखते थे, और आज हम आसानी से पढ़ रहे हैं. So we should be very grateful to Srila Prabhupada for giving us Srimad Bhagavatam, and that Bhagavatam was written in this particular temple, Radha Damodar temple. So इसीलिए this temple is very, very, very significant for Gaudiya Vaishnavas, right? So इसमें there are a lot of samadhis also of acharyas, right? So as we know, there are 6 Goswamis, right? Shri Rupa Sanatana Bhatta Raghunatha, Shri Jiva Gopala Bhatta Dasa Raghunatha. So ये 6 Goswami हैं, which are very, very important in our Vaishnava line of worship. So these are 6 Goswamis, जिनको हम षड गोस्वामी भी कहते हैं, right? Shri Rupa Sanatana, Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, श्री रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ, रघुनाथ भट्ट गोस्वामी। हर एक गोस्वामी का अलग अलग टेम्पल है, दैट्स व्हाट वी सॉ, राइट। सो राधा मदन मोहन टेम्पल हमने देखा, दैट वाज वर्शिप्ड बाय शिला सनातन गोस्वामी। राधा दामोदर टेम्पल जो है, दैट deities were worshipped by जीव गोस्वामी, right? Now Jiva Goswami, I'll just touch very few points on Jiva Goswami because it is important to know. सारे गोस्वामी के बारे में आपको शायद याद नहीं रहेगा, but we have to hear multiple times so that we can remember, right? These are very, why we have to remember about these acharyas is that we get their mercy, because when we remember the acharyas, we are trying to imbibe their qualities of devotion, right? जैसे वो भक्ति करते थे, जैसे वो उनके विचार थे, जैसा उनका भाव था, वो हम हमारे में भक्ति में ला सकें, इसीलिए हम लोग उनको याद करते हैं, उनके बारे में बोलते हैं। We are all called रूपानुगास, right? रूपानुगास का मतलब है that we are followers of Rupa Goswami. He is the chief, he is one of the chief Goswami of our संप्रदाय. So his nephew, उनके जो भाई के लड़के थे जीव गोस्वामी, भांजा, right? So Rupa Goswami's nephew was Jiva Goswami, who चार्जर लगाना पड़ेगा इसमें, just short. I think you lost the presentation, right? No problem, it's okay. So Jiva Goswami, by this laptop is discharged. So anyway, so Jiva Goswami was the nephew of Rupa Goswami. तो उनके वो भांजे थे, छोटे भांजे थे, and then he was, the worshipping these Radha Damodar deities. And एक बार ऐसा हुआ, Jiva Goswami was very scholarly person. He was a Sanskrit scholar. He knew many languages. उनको शास्त्रों का इतना अच्छे से अध्ययन था that he was, nobody was able to defeat him. So एक बार की बात है, एक कश्मीरी पंडित, the Kashmir is famous for pandits, right? So that time also it was very, all the pandits जो एकदम learned ब्राह्मणास थे, वो कश्मीर से आते थे. So एक दिग्विजय पंडित नाम के एक ब्राह्मण थे, who came from Kashmir, right? Who went from Kashmir, and उनकी क्या खासियत थी? What he used to do? वो लोग क्या करते थे, जो दिग्विजय जो पंडित है, he used to challenge everyone in Shastra, right? He used to challenge everyone in Shastra, and he was enjoying and defeating everyone in Shastra. वो सबको शास्त्रिक चैलेंज देते थे और बुला बुला के उनको डिफीट करते थे, right? कि मेरे साथ शास्त्रार्थ करो, and then he used to defeat everyone, right? So it happened one day that this Digvijay Pandit came to Vrindavan, and उनको पता था कि ये जो रूप और सनातन है, रूप गोस्वामी and सनातन गोस्वामी, they are very learned people, they know शास्त्र, उनको बहुत शास्त्रों का ज्ञान है. So he used to come and he thought that I will defeat these two guys. मैं रूप गोस्वामी और सनातन गोस्वामी को डिफीट करूंगा. उनको डिफीट करके मैं क्या करूंगा, डिफीट करके what he used to do, जो भी डिफीट होता था उससे साइन करा लेता था लेटर में. Used to get the sign that I am defeated. And it is like कि कोई आपको शास्त्र में हरा दे, and then he is asking you that आप लिख लो यहाँ पे that मैं दिग्विजय पंडित से हार चुका हूँ and sign. So he used to have the proof. तो proof लेके he used to show everybody that देखो मैंने इसको हरा दिया, देखो मैंने इसको हरा दिया. So he was a completely puffed up fellow, right? उसको बहुत सबको हरा के आनंद लेने में उत्साह आता था, आनंद लेने में मजा आता था उसको. So he came to Vrindavan also, and उसने सोचा रूप और सनातन को भी मैं हरा देता, राइट? एंड देन उनको उन्होंने शास्त्रार्थ के लिए बोला कि आप भी मेरे साथ शास्त्रार्थ कीजिए, तो आप भी मेरे साथ शास्त्रार्थ कीजिए. तो रूप गोस्वामी ने क्या किया कि वो शास्त्रार्थ किए बिना ही उनको लिख कर दे दिया कि हाँ भाई मैं तुमसे हार चुका हूँ, एंड नीचे साइन कर दिया. बिकॉज रूप गोस्वामी वाज थिंकिंग that there's no point in wasting time in doing शास्त्रार्थ. तो शास्त्र किसी से डिस्कस करके उनको हराने या जिताने के मूड से शास्त्र नहीं पढ़े जाते, राइट? इट इज टू सर्व द लॉर्ड. लाइक फॉर वी आर ऑल्सो व्हेन वी आर स्टडिंग शास्त्र, हम लोग को कई बार शास्त्र पढ़ के वी फील प्राइड दैट आई नो दिस श्लोका, आई नो दिस शास्त्र, सो वी फील प्राइड. सो दिस रूप एंड सनातन वर वेरी एलिवेटेड सोल. उनको कोई प्राइड नहीं था खुद का दैट दे वर नोइंग द शास्त्र, राइट? और उनको कोई ऐसा भी नहीं था कि वो किसी को हराएं या किसी से हारें. They were not bothered of all those things. So रूप गोस्वामी ने क्या किया कि शास्त्रार्थ में टाइम वेस्ट करने से he just wrote to Kashmir this Digvijay Pandit that I am defeated and I am signing it. And then Sanatan Goswami, he went, Sanatan Goswami is elder than Rupa Goswami. ये दोनों भाई हैं. Sanatan Goswami is the elder brother, Rupa Goswami is the younger brother, right? So Sanatan Goswami also wrote him that I am defeated by Digvijay Pandit and undersigned Sanatan Goswami. So इसके पास दो लेटर हो गए, one signed by Rupa Goswami, one signed by Sanatan Goswami, that I have defeated these two great fellows. And then सब गांव वालों से बात किया उसने, and then he was showing those letters to everyone. And then finally सब गांव वालों ने बोला that एक और है व्यक्ति जो के इनके जैसा ही बुद्धिशाली है, इनके जैसा ही शास्त्रार्थ करता है, जानता है, संस्कृत स्कॉलर है. There is one more person who is equal to this Rupa and Sanatana in Sanskrit and in grammar and Shastra, and he is Jeev Goswami, जो के रूप गोस्वामी के भांजे हैं, यानी he is a nephew of Rupa Goswami. So then this Digvijay Pandit thought that let me go and defeat him also, he will also sign, right? So he reached to Jeev Goswami, and then Jeev Goswami को उन्होंने दो पत्र दिखाए कि देखो रूप गोस्वामी ने साइन किया है, सनातन गोस्वामी ने भी साइन किया है, that they are all defeated, so I will defeat you also in Shastrarth. And Jeev Goswami saw these two papers and he was thinking how this Pandit, this Kashmiri Pandit can defeat Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. He was not able to believe that. And Jeev Goswami ने सोचा, now उन्होंने अपनी बाहें चढ़ा ली that I have to defeat this fellow Digvijay Pandit. And he started Shastrarth and he defeated this Digvijay Pandit, right? He defeated this Digvijay Pandit and he उनका कुछ 5-7 दिन तक उनका शास्त्रार्थ चला, and then he defeated this Digvijay Pandit. And वो दोनों पेपर जो से साइंड वाले वो रूप और सनातन के वो ले लिए और फाड़ दिए वो पेपर. And then with those paper he went to Rupa Goswami, that thinking that Rupa Goswami will be pleased that Jeev Goswami ने उनको हरा दिया शास्त्रार्थ में, right? So he went there and उनको दिखाया that how you can get defeated through this. I have defeated this fellow. So hearing this, Rupa Goswami जो थे वो प्रसन्न नहीं होते हैं. Rupa Goswami was even he was not happy with this Jeev Goswami. They were Rupa Goswami was in fact sad that why he wasted his time in defeating this Digvijay Pandit, why rather than he should focus on the serving the Lord. क्योंकि किसी को defeat करना शास्त्रों में it will give you pride, so you should not waste time in defeating and proving yourself right and other person wrong. Rather you should focus on serving the Lord. So Rupa Goswami जो उनके चाचा थे, he asked him to leave Vrindavan. आप सोचिए इतना grave mistake भी नहीं था, and then he asked him to leave Vrindavan. Jeev Goswami has to go outside Vrindavan for some time, and then he was brought in again. So the lesson we learn from here is that Shastras are not for competition or defeating somebody and enjoying and getting pride in that. See, competition मतलब कई बार आपने सुना होगा गीता competition होता है and श्लोका competition होता है. So that is a different thing. That is to increase your confidence to get so that you can get interest in learning Shastras. But defeating somebody to prove that you are higher and somebody is lower, कोई मतलब किसी को शास्त्रार्थ में हरा के ये प्रूव करना कि मैं उससे महान हूँ और वो नीची जाति का है या नीचे ज्ञान का है, that is not correct. So this is what lesson we learned from this pastime of Jeev Goswami, right? And जैसे मैंने बताया, so Jeev Goswami met Akbar also, and then he understood that he is a very scholarly person, he is a very Sanskrit scholar, and then he gave money to build this Radha Damodar temple which you just saw, right? So then there are other samadhis also. There is a Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Samadhi. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is the person who wrote Chaitanya Charitamrita, right? So his samadhi is also there in this particular temple. And there is a just hold on, huh? I'll enable Sulakshana. Yeah, so there are samadhis of Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also, and there is a samadhi of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur also, and उनका पुष्प समाधि है. भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर वो हैं जिनको हम लोग जानते हैं शीला प्रभुपाद के जो गुरु हैं, राइट? शीला प्रभुपाद हु इज द फाउंडर आचार्य ऑफ इस्कॉन, उनके जो गुरु हैं उनका नाम शीला भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर है. His पुष्प समाधि is there in this temple. अब पुष्प समाधि क्या होता है See, there are two kinds of samadhis. One is Vapu Samadhi and one is Pushpa Samadhi. There are various other samadhis also. But Vapu Samadhi means जिनका body physically वो समाधि में होता है. After death, after disappearance, their whole body is preserved as samadhi and their body is kept there. जैसा हमने देखा that वृंदावन कृष्ण बलराम टेम्पल में शिला प्रभुपाद का समाधि है. So that is the Vapu Samadhi, that शिला प्रभुपाद पार्थिव शरीर वहां पे रखा गया है after he left this planet. But भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर का पुष्प समाधि है. That means जो जब एक्चुअल उनका वपु समाधि जहाँ रखा जा रहा था उसमें से they take up some flowers, they take up some पुष्प and पुष्पों का समाधि कहीं और बनाया जाता है. That is called पुष्प समाधि, right? So भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर वो है जो के जिनके पिता का नाम है भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर, right? And they were living in Jagannath Puri, and Bhakti Vinod Thakur has prayed to Jagannath Puri, to Lord Jagannath, that मेरे को एक ऐसा पुत्र चाहिए जिससे मैं कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस मूवमेंट आगे बढ़ा सकूं. I want some strong son, that with the help of that son the Krishna conscious movement can spread all across. So he wanted that kind of son, and his desire was fulfilled by Lord Jagannath, and he got a son called Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And जब वो जगन्नाथ का रथ वहां से जा रहा था, there is a very beautiful pastime. जब जगन्नाथ का रथ, everybody knows that जगन्नाथ रथ पुलिंग होता है, right? जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा होती है जब भी. तो when जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा was going on, and भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर अपने पुत्र भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर को लेके वहां रथ के पास पहुंचे, तो at that time what happened, that Jagannath garland which was there on Jagannath Vigrah, that fell down and directly fell into Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati's neck. जब उनका आशीर्वाद देने के लिए उनको वहां पे रथ पे रखा था, तो उनका जो गार्लैंड है वो सीधा भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर के गले में जाके गिरता है. So everybody understood that he is the person who is going to be a very nice devotee of Radha and Krishna, and he is going to devote his life and preach Krishna consciousness message across the world, right? And Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur ने बहुत सारे गौड़िया मठ का भी निर्माण किया है. So that you can see when you go to Vrindavan, you can see various Gaudiya Matha, and finally his disciple, which is A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, जिन्होंने ISKCON की रचना की है, उनकी बदौलत we have ISKCON centers all across the world now. हर देश के हर कोने में, देश के हर शहर में ISKCON का सेंटर है, and ISKCON preaching has been has been started and has reached to all the parts of the world. So and Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur was called Lion Guru also, क्योंकि उनका बहुत ही he was very strict in his principles, right? So he was called Lion Guru. And there are other places around this temple like Radha, like Rupa Goswami Bhajan Kutir also, where Rupa Goswami used to do bhajan, and Rupa Goswami Samadhi is also there. There is a Bhugarbha Goswami Samadhi also. Now Bhugarbha Goswami was very interesting. Bhugarbha, right? Bhu matlab kya? Earth, right? And Garbha matlab hole. So what he used to do, भूगर्भ गोस्वामी जमीन में एक होल करते थे और उसमें अंदर जाके बैठते थे, एंड देन ही यूज्ड टू डू द भजन, क्योंकि कोई उनको डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सके. हम लोग ऐसा कर पाएंगे कि जमीन में खड्डा खोद के अंदर जाके बैठेंगे भजन करने के लिए, दैट नोबडी डिस्टर्ब्स अस. सो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. दैट वाज द भूगर्भ गोस्वामी, राइट? सो दीज आर वेरियस फेमस आचार्यस इन आवर लाइन, जिनका यहाँ पर भजन कुटीर है और उनका समाधि है, and it's a very nice and famous temple which is called Radha Damodar temple, and we should definitely visit this place and take blessings of all the Vaishnavas, take blessings of Shri Radha Damodar, and take the blessings of Shri Radha Vrindavan Chandra and Radha Madhava, right? So this is about Radha Damodar temple. We will end this our yatra today here with Radha Damodar temple. Tomorrow we will go to Seva Kunj, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी भगवान की अद्भुत लीला होती है, and we will see the mystery of Seva Kunj tomorrow, जो कि बहुत ही mysterious place है. And now we have the time to do Damodar Aarti with Shivani Mataji. I think she is ready already. So we will spotlight her video. You can all be ready with your lamps. आप अपना lamp ready रख सकते हैं. Please offer the lamp to the Lord. It is the Kartik month. भगवान को सिर्फ मात्र एक दिया ऑफर करने से हमारे सारे काम बन सकते हैं. We can go to Golok Vrindavan. By the time Shivani Mataji is ready, we will spotlight her video, and all of you can offer the ghee lamps. We will recite the Damodar Ashtakam. भगवान कहते हैं कोई भी हमारी जो एक्टिविटी है उसका नाश नहीं होता है, सो आप सबसे निवेदन है कि अपने अपने घी के दिए निकालिए और भगवान को ऑफर कीजिए, भगवान को दिखाइए जब हम लोग दामोदर अष्टकम गाएंगे। ओके, होप वी आर ऑल रेडी। शिवानी माता जी, आर यू रेडी? ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट द दामोदर अष्टकम। नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपम् रसतुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानम् यशोदाभियोलुकलाधवमानम् प्रणमृषमत्यन्ततो धृतगोप्या सुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रं युग्मं मृजन्तम् कराम्बोजयुग्मेन सातकं नेत्रम् मुश्वासकम्पात्रिरेकाङ्ककण्ठ चित्तग्रीवं दामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् इति दृक्ष्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तम् अभ्यापयन्तम् तदीयेषितज्ञेषु भक्तेर्जितत्वम् पुनः प्रेमतस्तं च तावृति वन्दे परं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षं पदिं वा न चानं वृणेऽहं वरेशदपीह तं देव पूर्णार्थ गोपालबालं सदा मे मनस्याविरसखिमन्ये इदं ते मुखाम्बोजम् अत्यन्तनीलय कृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तश्च गोप्या मुष्टुम्बितं बिम्बरक्ताधरं मे मनस्याविरसं बलं लक्ष्यलाभे नमो देव दामोदरानन्द विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलधिमग्नम् तदिशिवृष्ट्यादिदिनं पतानु गृहणेश मामग्नं विदक्षिदृश्य कुबेरात्मजो बद्धमुदेर्वयद्वत् त्वया मोचितो भक्ति भजो कृतौ च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स कामे प्रयच्छ नमोक्षे ग्रहो मे दामोदरेण नमस्ते सुधाम्ने सुरभिदाम्ने त्वदीयोदराय च विश्वस्य दाम्ने नमो राधिकाय त्वदीयप्रियाय नमो नन्दलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमो राधिकाय त्वदीयप्रियाय नमो नन्दलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय गुरुदेव निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल। राधा दामोदर भगवान की, श्री यशोदा दामोदर की, कार्तिक महामहोत्सव की, दामोदर मास की। शिवानी जी, वेरी नाइस। Can we see your whole family together who have offered the lamps? Very nicely, you offered all the lamps to the Lord Damodar. Can all your family be in one screen and you would like to say something? It's like a festival at your home now. We can see you dress up nicely and dressing Damodar also very nicely.
Jai. Mataji is looking very different. Shivani Mataji, without specs, you are looking very different. Very beautiful, Mataji.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I could not recognize you. You would like to share something?
I just want to thank Prabhuji and Mataji for giving us the opportunity, and also want to thank for giving us the tour of Vrindavan. हम लोग कभी वृंदावन गए नहीं है, so it's good to see. Now we are eager to go maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all our pleasure.
इधर इधर आ।
Please carry on. Yeah.
हाँ. And आपसे आप लोगों से सीखने को भी मिल रहा है कि अगर क्या कहते हैं सेवा की भावना हो तो किसी तरीके से रास्ता निकल ही आता है, जैसे you all are doing for the whole month. And also to others, I have joined the 7 months I've joined this group, but I can say that भक्ति में जितना रस है उतना और संसार में नहीं है, तो बेवकूफी होगी अगर यहाँ से निकल गए तो इसी में समझदारी है कि यहाँ पे बने रहें. So thank you so much for acting like an instrument for my spiritual progress.
Thank you,
Mataji,
Mataji, thank you for joining.
Mataji.
Thank you for joining. Itash, how are you?
Itash is our very sweet little student of mine who he is very introvert, but he is at the same time very intelligent. So he will not say the answer, but he will always type the answers, and his answers are always very correct. And yes, he is very serious about learning shlokas and developing very nicely. If he remains in this class for some time, I am sure he will become very nice devotee.
Very nice.
Haribol. Thank you, Mataji and Prabhuji. We have not taken darshan of Prabhuji. I forgot your little one's name, Mataji.
Idika.
Kritika.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Idika.
Gitika.
Gitika.
Okay.
Idi. I.
Idika,
Okay.
okay.
Itika. Itash and Itika. Yeah, okay.
Idika. Yeah.
Okay. Very
Okay.
nice.
Very nice. So thank you, Mataji, for allowing us to be at your home and hosting Yashoda Damodar.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, see you all tomorrow. Thank you, Mataji, again. See you all tomorrow at same time, 7:30 UAE time and 9 o'clock India time. Okay, I will end this meeting now. Thank you very much. आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जो करने के लिए. कल मिलते हैं फिर से सब लोग. Hare Krishna, कृष्णा
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
वृंदावन
कृष्णा
धाम
प्रभु.
की
जय.
Okay, Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु.
कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
कृष्ण प्रभु.
Hare Krishna.